Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to do SMS bombing and call bombing using Kali Linux. Now let's get started. First we have to open our Chrome and we have to type GitHub tbomb. Okay, I will give the link in the description. We have to just click this and we have to copy this, and now we have to open our terminal and we have to write cd desktop. Now we have to write git clone and we have to paste that link and we have to type enter. As you can see, it is cloning into t-bomb. It may take some time. Okay, now let's type ls. Now we have to type cd capital T capital B O M V cd t-bomb. Now we have to type ls. So now we have to give permission to this tbomb.sh. So for that we have to type chmod plus x tbomb.sh. As you can see, we give the permission to the tbomb file. Now we have to type bash tbomb.sh. As you can see, it is installing requirements, everything, Python. It may take some time. Just you have to wait. When it is installed, we can do SMS bombing, 500 SMS at a time, and we can do so many phone calls at a time. It may take some time to download, means installing. You have to wait. It's taking some time. You have to type 5 and you have to press enter. It's just taking some time. You have to again press enter. As you can see, our t-bomb is successfully installed. Now actually first I said you we're gonna do SMS bombing, so we have to press 1. Okay, now we have to type the country code without place. So 91. Now it is asking the target number, so you can type any number. So I'm typing my number. Okay, so it is saying us 0 for unlimited. So let's type 0 and check out. Click number 2 seconds. Press 15. Now I'm recording this. Just we'll check what will come. Yeah, as you can see, Message from Flipkart. We didn't order anything and it is coming. Yeah, as you can see, uh, now we have to wait. Request sent one, fail one. See, as you can see, a number is coming. Another call. See, as you can see, another call is also coming. Wait for this. Let's wait for another call. It may take some time. See, as you can see, we are getting another call. That's all for now, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.